Namaskaram, welcome back. We looked at fatty liver. We looked at what causes fatty liver. We looked at the consequences of fatty liver. And please remember, it's very common nowadays. Many people seem to be having this because of our high carbohydrate consumption. Chronic inflammation leads to fatty liver as well. So, what can we do? How do you reverse fatty liver? Now, the reason for this is increased triglycerides that gets deposited into the liver. So, if you want to reverse fatty liver, you don't have to look for drugs, because to bring down triglycerides with drugs is not an effective way, and drugs always have side effects. So, what can we do about it? Number one, treat the root cause as always. So what causes a high triglyceride level? It's because of high blood sugar, and that stimulates your body to produce a lot of insulin, and the excess insulin will convert the high blood sugar, extra sugar, into triglycerides that gets deposited into the liver. So the root cause is high blood sugar. What causes high blood sugar? Excess carbohydrate consumption. So always limit the amount of carbohydrate you consume. Choose the healthy carbs, limit the amount. That is what I described as a low carb diet in my earlier videos. And the best thing would be to avoid carbs for dinner. Now, what can we do to reverse fatty liver? Number one, go on the low carb diet and observe intermittent fasting, which means you have preferably an 8-hour eating window, preferably from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. But it's very important to avoid taking carbohydrates for dinner, because you don't want to have high blood sugar, high insulin during your sleep. That is one. The other one is very useful method is water fasting. So try to have the habit of observing water fasting, only water for 24 hours, and it's good to do once a week. You may not be able to stretch to 24 hours initially, but stretch it as long as you can, and you'll get used to it, and it will be easy for you to do a 24-hour water fasting. Now, I'll talk about fasting and the benefits in my next videos, but fasting is a very effective way of healing your body. Number three, you can take anti-inflammatory herbs like turmeric or curcumin, and there is another herb called quercetin. They will reduce the inflammation overall, and also in the liver. You need to control the silent inflammation. Above all, one of the most beneficial treatment for fatty liver would be a vitamin. It's just a simple, cheap vitamin. It is vitamin B3. It's called niacin. The effects are slow. It will take about 2 to 3 months to see the benefits, but niacin has huge health benefits. Number one, it can increase your good cholesterol, that is your HDL, and reduce your triglycerides. It can help in the reversal of fatty liver, and niacin is a powerful anti-aging vitamin, because the end product of niacin metabolism in the body is known as NAD, the most powerful trigger for energy production in your cell. So niacin has many benefits. So you can go on the low carb diet, observe intermittent fasting, observe water fasting once a week, take some herbs to reduce your inflammation. You can also add niacin to your supplements, and there are other ways of taking care of your liver health. Coffee enema would be good, exercise and sweating would be good, infrared sauna would be good, putting red and infrared light combination on directly on the liver area would also be beneficial. Now, all these methods will help you to reverse fatty liver naturally, without drugs and without any side effects. Thank you. Namaskar.